Without plugging his nose? He didn't plug his nose!
He doesn't need to plug his nose.
I didn't plug my nose either!
Good job. Why don't you guys scoot back so I can get you all on the video? You're too close. Good job, William. Can you swim? Scoot back. Scoot back. You're too close. Scoot back. Okay, swim over there.
You know the price. Nice.
Good job, William. Sis, show me what you can do. Sis, show me what you could do. Sis, show me what you could do. Good job.